Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. Not many people talk about them. They're usually on the radar. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand Orientica. Orientica is a branch or another affiliate of Al Haramain house. They have been around about 10 years now, and lately they've been making very good fragrances for amazing prices. They have two tiers of fragrances in their lineup. There are luxury line, which is quite expensive. I mean, in terms of what you get and what you pay, they're still very good, but they are on the pricier side, usually around 80 to £100, and they have a lesser, cheaper version or lineup, which are, for the money, they are amazing. They are usually on their website, they sell it for £15, but if you go right now, they have a sale on and they are half price, so under £10 for beautiful perfumes. Anyway, so this one in particular, called Despacito por Homme, I think in Spanish means slowly, so slowly por Homme, and this one is from the brand Rich and Ritz. So this is another brand inside brand. It's called Rich and Ritz. So this one is from that lineup, and it's 100 ml eau de parfum, and as I said, I bought it myself for under £10. So I was curious to see how it goes, what it smells like, and if it's worth your time and money. So without further ado, let's do this. But before I do the unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, if you find it informative, if you find it valuable or entertaining, hit those buttons, subscribe, like, comment, and all those good things. This way you help me, you encourage me, you motivate me to make videos like this. Your support, your help will take this channel a long way. Thank you very much for your support, and let's go. So it's quite a nice box, nothing to brag about, just simple box. It does the job perfectly, which is protecting the bottle. Okay, so let's see. Despacito sounds very exotic. Okay, so that's the box. As I said, it's quite a simple box, but it's quite nice for under £10. The colouring of it is very good, and look at the colourings, is very nice for under £10 again for what I paid. So this is the bottle. It's got this. Okay, wow, quite a nice feel to it. It's quite heavy, the cap, and the atomizer is very modern, good looking. Here we go. Very good atomizer. So far so good, perfection in a bottle. Let's see if it smells good. The bottle presentation under £10, this is very good. Here we go. So how does it smell? Alright, I was going to say another Creed Aventus, but it smells very fresh, and it smells similar to Creed Aventus. Is it Creed Aventus? Very close to it. So that fresh bergamot, fresh opening is in here. So the opening is gorgeous. It's just like the opening of Creed Aventus, which many companies try to copy that, but they failed miserably, because that opening is very juicy and very inviting in Creed Aventus, and almost none of them could do it. This one, the opening is there, beautiful, juicy, bergamot, citrus. I can smell something like a grapefruit. Yeah, very grapefruity. grapefruit, bergamot, fruity, but no, it's not a Creed Aventus, so it's going in a different direction. But the first blast off, because of that beautiful bergamot, I thought it was going to that direction, but it's not. So calm down, guys. This is not a Creed Aventus number 4600. No, this is a different perfume, but it smells beautiful. So it's very fresh, it's very refreshing, it's very inviting, it's very fizzy, it's very likable, it's very easygoing. Mamma mia, what a fresh fragrance. It's quite on the masculine side. Yeah, it reminds me of some of the 80s and 90s fragrances because of that bergamot and grapefruit and other basically citrus opening. So it's got a backbone of florals. I'm not sure what kind of florals. Maybe there's a what's his name, lavender in here. It smells like lavender. Yeah, it smells like lavender. It's very lavender, so very citrusy, very lavender, very aromatic. A little bit of aquaticness to it as well. So it's aquatic. So citrus, aromatic, aquatic. Little bit of green undertone to it. It's a little bit earthy, little bit green, little bit leafy, it's a little bit grassy. What an opening! Wow, that is beautiful. For under £10, guys, this is no-brainer. So if you like it fresh, if you like it citrus, if you like it aromatic, if you like it aquatic, there's not much salt in here. It's aquatic in terms of being watery than being oceanic or sea like. Okay, so this is aquatic in terms of maybe freshwater aquatic. Okay, there's a tiny bit of saltiness to it as well, but not much. Saltiness, yes, but not much. Okay, so it is like a sea breeze, but it's not oceanic. Okay, it's not as super salty. And it's woody as well in the backbone. Probably most likely it's going to be cedar. It's quite rounded. It's quite smooth. It's quite rounded. It's quite you know, even though it's very citrusy in the beginning, it's still quite rounded. But what an opening! So smell profile, opening, perfection. But let's see how you like, because under £10. You don't expect it to last, you know, a very long time. Unfortunately, majority of under £10 so far, I unboxed and reviewed many under £10. Vast majority of them, they fail in longevity and performance. Smells good, but they lack performance. So let's see if this one perform well, or at least perform acceptable. Then we have a banger on our hand. For right now, it's filling the room, so it's quite promising. But let's see how it performs, how it projects, how much it will last. But for the smell itself, exquisite, very nice, very manly, very masculine, fresh, citrus, aromatic, aquatic, woody, little bit of earthy green undertone to it. A little bit leafiness, little bit of grassiness as well. Yeah, so far so good. Let's see, I'll let you know in the next video the development, longevity and things like that. But for now, 2 thumbs up. I actually love it. This is good for summer, for warmer weather, definitely. And also it's universal. Anybody can wear this, no age limit to it. In terms of sex, it leans more masculine, but obviously if you like this kind of fragrances, then ladies can wear it as well. But it leans masculine because it reminds me of 80s and 90s fresh fragrances. Ageless, warmer weather is better suited. It's on the casual side, you know. It says slowly, Despacito, slowly. So, and also it's under £10. You don't expect it to be on the formal side. This is definitely on casual, work, gym, things like that. Okay, so this is very, very good for it. Okay guys, so I'll let you know in the next video. If you like to go and check it out, Fragrantica, Orientica, right now they have a half price sale on, especially in their cheaper lineup, so you can go and check them out. Okay guys, thank you very much for joining me. As always, hit those buttons if you like what I do. If you want to support me by buying one of my own fragrances, they are amazing, they are out of this world, they are super artistic, amazing value for money, very unique, very intriguing, but you need to live in our kingdom in order to purchase them. I'll leave the links in the description as well. Thank you very much, and I see you later. Bye bye bye.